So now that we have a start-stop latching circuit figured out in ladder logic, we're going to go ahead and try this in function block as well. So I'm just going to right-click on, or go to the section here, right-click and go new section. I'm going to call this function 1. Make sure it's function block, hit OK. It'll create a new section. In this section I'm going to go ahead and right-click and go function block assistant and add a new function block. Hit these 3 dots here for the function block type, and then go into the library set and search for a OR block. A bunch of stuff comes up because OR is in the word, so everything with that comes up here. So we'll scroll down and go down to OR, select that, hit OK, put an OR block in. We'll also need an AND block for this, so do the same thing again, go function block assistant, hit these 3 dots here, go to the library set and type in AND star, pick an AND block, hit OK, put it in here. So what we're going to do is link these two together. So select the link, go the out of the OR block into the AND block, and then we need a start button, so we'll hit start and we'll make this start 2 because we already used start in the previous ladder logic. Create that variable. We'll need the latching functionality, so we'll call this light2. Create that variable. Here we'll need the stop button, so stop 2. Create that variable, as well as the light 2. So now that everything's built, we could go ahead and build these changes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hit Control A and right click, hold on Control and go initialize new animation table. New animation table's here. I'm going to go ahead and close the ladder logic that I've built. Database. So I just have these two open, so that way when I hit this horizontal tile, I'll see both. So now I see everything's in red here because everything's off, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Modification. Turn on my start. Notice my start will turn on, but obviously my light won't because my stop button isn't satisfied, so I'm going to go ahead and satisfy my stop button. My stop button's now satisfied, the light's on, so I can go ahead and turn off the start, because typically this is just a push button anyway, so my start button is no longer pressed, but my light is still on. So now if the stop button gets pushed, the normally closed stop button gets pushed, my light is now off. You go ahead and try to turn on the start button, but obviously you can't until the stop is satisfied. So that's how you do the same logic, but not in ladder diagram, but in function block this time.